we're trying to figure out this decimal. So if I look at clue 1, U must be 1. If U is anything larger than 1, let's say 2, you get 12. And see, R is a single digit, not 2 digits, so U has to be 1. And then you could just work backwards. So I know that clue A works. I'll go ahead and show you how it works, but hopefully you wouldn't have to do all this during your test. So this would mean 2t equals 6 times 1, which is 6. That means t would equal 3. So got U is 1, t is 3. Now t is 3. So that means 3s equals 2 times t, which is 6. That means s is 2. And that would mean r equals, s is 2, r equals 6. So clue 1 works. Clue 2 says the product of r and u is equal to the product of s and t. Well, that doesn't help you because there's lots of choices there. For example, it could be 4 times 3, just 12, or it could be 6 and 2, or it could be 1 and 3 and 3 and 1. So your answer is A.